Hop into the 2018 Kia Optima. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Bring comfort and convenience with you wherever the road leads in this sporty, family-focused Optima. Mid-size spaciousness, standard driver assist features, and a suite of passenger conveniences make this go-to sedan your oasis in a hectic world. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, fog lamps, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Feel confident and refreshed when you're behind the wheel of this well-equipped Optima. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.